Welcome to All Task IT's feature video. In this video, we will be showing the new Microsoft Teams chat pop-out feature. In a recent release, Microsoft have enabled multiple window functionality to assist users with multitasking whilst using the Teams application. There are 4 ways to enable a chat window pop-out. The first is in the Chat tab. Double-click on the chat that you wish to pop out. Now this specific chat is opened in another window. The second is also done via the Chat tab. Click on the ellipsis next to the chat that you wish to pop out and select the pop-out option. The third is done within the chat window. In the top right-hand corner, click the pop-out icon to open another window. Finally, you can pop a chat out from the search command bar. Click in the bar, enter a /, type the word pop, press your spacebar and enter the name of the person you wish to chat with. Select that contact and the window will pop for you. Thank you for your time and please feel free to go check out some of our other videos.